Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we are going to see how to create sports banner in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download all the files used in this tutorial, link in the description. Download it, use it. If you got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. Fine, let's get started. First, we are going to create new canvas in Photoshop. I'll keep the size as 1920 by 1080, resolution 72, RGB mode. So our canvas is ready. First, create a new layer. I'm going to delete the default background layer. Now go to color picker, select some kind of light yellow. Next, I'm going to create another layer. Go to color picker, select some kind of bright yellow. Now enable brush, select soft brush, keep the size around like this one and give a single click at the center. Okay, so our background is ready. I'm going to select both the layer and place it inside a folder. Name this one as background. Next, we are going to bring in our island image. For that, create a layer. Go to the folder you downloaded. Open the big one inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I'm going to place the image somewhere like around here. Okay. Name the layer as land. Next, we're going to bring in our main stock image. Go to the folder you downloaded. Open the main image inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Name the image as stock. Now we are going to resize the image. For that, we are going to enable free transform tool. Keyboard shortcut is Ctrl T. By holding Shift key, I'm going to resize the image. So I'm going to place it somewhere around here. So to add realistic effect, we're going to add shadow to the stock image. For that, we're going to create a layer right above the land layer. We're going to name this as S1. Now go to color picker, select black color. Now go to brush, enable brush, select soft round brush, give a single click. Now enable free transform tool, shortcut Ctrl T. Now bring down the top edge like this and resize the image. Okay, so this is going to act as our shadow for our stock image. Now place the image right below the shoe. Now we are going to create a duplicate copy. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. Rename the layer as S2. Move the shadow to another foot. Okay, so our shadow is ready. Next, we are going to add leaves. For that, go to the folder you downloaded. Open the pick 2 inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Name the layer as L1. Shortcut for leaf L1. So place the leaves here. Next, we're going to repeat the same step. Go to the folder you downloaded. Open the pick 3 inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Place it somewhere around here. Name it as L2. Okay, our images are ready. Now we are going to add our text content. For that, create a new layer. Name it as T1. Shortcut for text T1. So select the color you want. I'm going to select something like tall grid. The font I'm using is Typography Pro. I'll give the link in the description. You can download it if you want. Now add your text. Resize the text. So I'm going to add a simple effect to the text. For that, enable free transform tool. Hold Control key in the keyboard and drag the right hand like so, and now you're going to pull the left hand below like so. Fine. Now I'm going to create a duplicate copy of the layer. Control J shortcut. Name the layer as T2. Now I'm going to edit this one as 07. So text content is ready. Next we are going to add another effect to the banner. For that, create a new layer. Name the layer as color. Go to color picker, select blue color. Now enable polygon laser tool and draw a rectangle like so. Now hit Alt backspace to fill the color. Now go to the folder you downloaded. Bring the main stock image inside your canvas. Okay, now you're going to clip match the image. For that, before clip masking the image, layer, we're going to rename it as clip. To clip mask the layer, select the layer, go to layer, create clip masking. So by doing so, the image will be visible only inside the shape. Okay, now we are going to resize the image. I'm going to make it a little bit larger. Now reduce opacity to 30 something. Okay, so our sports banner is almost ready. As a final effect, we're going to add flare effect to the banner. For that, go to the folder you downloaded, open the flare image inside Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside your canvas. Change the blending mode as screen. Now create another copy, Ctrl J, and place it somewhere here. So our banner is ready. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more Photoshop tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.